What's up everybody, Rob here from the Basement Bike Shop, and in this video I'm going to show you how to learn Abubacas with brakes the easy way. Now before we get started, the main thing is that you want your brakes to grab really good when you apply them. And I like to take some simple green, I put a little bit on a rag, and then I rub the surface of my rim where the brake pads are going to contact it on both sides. Now this might cause your brakes to squeal a little bit at first, but it'll wear off fast and your brakes are going to grab really good. Out of all the products I've tried using, I found that Simple Green is one of the best ones I've ever used. If you have a different product that you like to apply to your rim, go ahead and leave a comment below. Then after you got the rim all cleaned and coated, we're ready to go ahead and start learning Abubacas. One thing people ask me is, do you need to learn to ride fakie before you learn an Abubaca? Technically you don't, but as you start to get into doing bigger Abubacas, you're going to need to learn to ride fakie to come out of them. But for this video we're going to show you how to do a quick Abubaca and a turnout. So step by step, the first thing you're going to work on is the balance point of an Abubaca. And how I do that, if you don't have a front brake, I just ride up against a curb or a wall, lean back, apply my brake, and kind of just hop on the back tire. The more you do it, the better you'll get at it. What this is going to do is it's going to help you find that perfect balance point and how to hop out of the Abubaca once you got it down. It's safer to learn it this way, being closer to the ground. After you've got that down, we're going to work on the rollout. All that is as you're rolling back, you're going to turn the wheel and put a little pressure on your pedal. You're not going to use your brake. And then pull your bike the rest of the way around. Just with a little bit of pedal pressure, as you're turning your bars, it'll lift your front wheel off the ground and the bike will come the rest of the way around. You want to work on that for a while until you get it down. And then once you have that down, I like to jump into some flat ground Abubacas. Start off small, just getting the body mechanics down. Get comfortable with bunny hopping and then landing stalled on your back tire. And then go a little bigger and try jumping out of it backwards. And practice that a couple of times until you feel really comfortable with it. And then you can go ahead and approach the ramp. I think the first couple times I like to go up and balance and then jump out of it, just so I kind of feel where I'm going to land. Don't be afraid to put your foot down on the rollout until you feel comfortable enough that you can go for it all the way. Now when it comes to checking your speed, a good rule of thumb is to listen to the pitch of your cassette or your freewheel. And that'll tell you if you're going the speed that you want to go to pull this trick. And just try to memorize that pitch. It's actually a lot easier than you think. Now you can see on the way back, turn my wheel, put a little pressure on the pedal. My front end just comes around. After you got that down, you can learn to roll back longer. Try it on higher things. Just remember that the higher you Abubaca, the faster you're going to be coming backwards. And that about wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll have a couple more trick videos coming out. Just thought I'd do a little something different and kind of do more of a step-by-step of the learning process, not just showing you the trick. If you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button and I'll keep these videos coming. If you don't want to miss them, you can turn on those alerts and you'll be notified as soon as they come out. Thanks a lot.